The bond between humans and animals runs deeper than words can capture. Today, you'll witness heart-stopping reunions where pets and their owners find each other again, after what felt like forever apart. They brought this man's dog to visit him in the hospital. Though dementia clouds his mind, their bond shines through. Some connections never fade.
Встреча, долгожданная встреча.
Ну, отстанет человек.
Да, сейчас. Долгожданная.
For it, the whole world seemed to stop. After so many years, all it knew was to hold on tight, a loyalty that even time could never break. He once saved stray cats from the streets. Now one of them sits by his grave, refusing to leave, waiting as if love alone could bring him back. In an instant, the world shifted from fear to hope. Welcome home, little friend. Every worry has now faded away. After a week apart, the little monkey leaps with joy to be back with her owner. It may be a puma, but with such kitten-like love, this boy must have checked the door countless times waiting for his daddy to come home. Have you ever saved someone, stepped away for a while, and when you returned, they came running to you with this kind of joy? A rather unusual companion, yet the happiness he shows when reunited with his friend is every bit as genuine as any loyal pet. Just a single call was enough to turn an ordinary day into pure excitement, the sweetest greeting you'll ever see. A man spent 5 days searching for his dog, and with the help of rescuers, they were finally reunited. His reaction says it all. For a whole week, the cat was nowhere to be found, until a compassionate soul noticed him and made sure he was returned to his family.
Everything is fine.
The entire farm was lost in the fire, yet the sheep survived. And when their owner saw them alive, her tears of relief and emotion were overwhelming. It was truly heartbreaking to witness. He lost everything in the fire, but finding his cat reminded him, it's not just a pet, it's family. The moment he felt his owner nearby, the big dog couldn't contain his excitement, overflowing with happiness and undeniable love. Weak and near her final days, Mama the chimp came alive with happiness the moment she recognized Professor John Van Hoof, her dear friend she hadn't seen in 44 years. After 6 long months apart, the dog can hardly contain herself, overflowing with happiness as she clings to her owner once again. And this is the beautiful way an iguana welcomes her owner. It's hard to believe they remembered each other after 8 long years apart. Max's love for him is nothing short of a miracle. This massive sea lion returns day after day because years ago, this man was the one who saved him. Via's troubles kept Kira the cheetah apart from his human for nearly 5 months, and when you ask him about peace, his reunion gives the perfect answer. Her owner had been away for so long, and now in this powerful reunion, the dog just can't stop clinging to her.
What are you doing to Daddy, Bird?
After 5 months apart, this reunion is bursting with joy and just a touch of playful resentment. After 3 months apart, the dog is finally back in her owner's arms, an embrace overflowing with pure love and happiness. The floods took everything away, yet loyalty led him back. This reunion shows that some bonds can never be broken. After so many days apart since being taken to the sanctuary, it never forgot the arms that raised it, a reunion that truly melts every heart.
She couldn't hold back her emotions during the reunion with her beloved horse, and the horse was also eagerly waiting to finally see her again.
Looking for your birthday?
Just see the joy on this boy's face as he reunites with his cat. Moments like this make it impossible to hold back tears. He rescued this pup long ago and found him a new family. Now, seeing each other again, it's clear. Dogs never forget their heroes. Watch how adorably the rooster comes running to greet hello. After years apart, she came back to the lions she had raised as cubs. The moment they saw her, they rushed forward, not with a growl, but with open paws and a loving embrace. He was only gone a few days, but the flamingo's embrace showed just how deeply he was missed. When her prayer was finally answered, the love and longing for this girl guided the missing kitty home.
I've got a pony to see you.
This pony truly brightened the grandmother's day. Surely the most extraordinary guest the nursing home has ever seen.
Yeah.
A magical moment where friendship knows no boundaries. A lion's embrace filled with pure warmth and a truly wild love.
Good morning.